our chapter is force. I think it's a familiar word up to you, isn't it? Then what do you mean by force? Force is a push or pull that causes an object to move. What do you mean by force? A force is considered to be a push or pull in which an object to move. Okay. A force is a push or pull in which an object to move. Okay. Do you know the unit of force? The unit of force is Newton. Okay. The unit of force is Newton. And it can be represented by using the symbol capital letter N. Okay. Is this force a vector or a scalar quantity? It's a vector quantity. While pushing, it changes its direction. So it have both direction and magnitude. So we can say the force is a vector quantity. Okay, force is considered to be a vector quantity. Why? Because it have both magnitude and as well as direction. Okay, then we can also say that a force is that in which it changes or it tends to change its shape, size, volume, state of rest or state of body, etc. Okay, is it clear? There are different types of forces. Okay, there are different types of forces: muscular force, electrostatic force, etc. Then, in this chapter, we are studying only two types of forces, that is contact force and non-contact force. Okay. In this chapter, we are only studying two types of forces, that is contact force and non-contact force. Okay. Look at here. I told you that in this chapter we are going to study only two types of forces. The first one is contact force and the other one is non-contact force. Contact force means the force applied by contact between object is known as contact force. Okay. The force applied by contact between object is known as what? Contact force. The example for contact force is kicking a ball. Okay, pressing the sponge. That are examples for contact force. Okay, then non-contact force. What does mean by non-contact force? It is opposite of contact force. Okay, the force applied on an object without contact on it is known as non-contact force. The force applied on an object without contact on it is known as what? Non-contact force. Okay, example for non-contact force is magnet attract nails. Okay, so then can you give examples for push and pull? Push means pushing the door, pushing the drawer of the table, etc. Then can you give examples for pull? Pulling the pull-out cart, pulling the desk, etc. Okay, so I think all of you understand what's the difference between contact force and non-contact force. So these are about today's class. I think all of you got it. Thank you.